Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word swine. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The farmer raised a group of swine on his property to provide fresh pork to the local market. The word swine refers to domesticated pigs or hogs raised for their meat. It is often used to describe these animals collectively in a farming context. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.